Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, for the first time in my life, I took a makeup video for the YouTube to teach you guys how to do a simple low-key makeup look. And this kind of makeup looks you can use as your everyday makeup looks. It's really simple, easy peasy, as well as this would be a so beginner friendly video that anybody can ever start their makeup journey with this video. And most importantly, if you are a beginner for the makeup, this is the right place for you guys to start your makeup journey with a so beginner friendly video. By the way, if you guys want to know a little bit of myself, my name is Kavindi and I am not a makeup artist. I'm a person who's totally self-taught about the makeups, and I have a huge passion about makeups, and I followed my passion, followed so many research about the makeups, different makeup techniques that can make a different looks according to the requirement. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned with me. I hope to bring more makeup videos in the future, and also stay tuned with my other content as well. Well, I'm not going to take a long time to introduce myself, so let's get right into the video. As I said before, if you are a person who is new for the makeup, as I said before, this video is going to be something like a beginner friendly video who's really new for the makeup. You guys have to know some couple of things that you should know before you go for a makeup look. One of the most important thing is you should have an idea about the things that you should have before you going for the makeup look. I'll list down all the things that you need to have to go for a makeup look, but you have to remember one thing: there can be so many things in this list that you don't have, so you don't need to be worried about that because some things are totally optional. You don't need to have everything that I listed over here. Instead, you can have some alternatives, or you can use your own techniques when you go for a makeup. Well, I'm going to start my makeup with this moisturizer. I wash my face properly before I come to this makeup look, and that is really important on top of all the things that you're going to do. And then as a second step, I use a primer to smooth my face, also fill the pores, which can lead to the flawless makeup look. Therefore, the primer is really important to avoid the cake look of the makeup. So guys, your makeup will be so good if you don't skip the primer. Also, there can be so many alternative products in the market which I am not going to mention over here to use before or after your primer. But since I go for a really basic makeup look, I don't go for any of those things. Then I started with my foundation, which is L'Oreal True Match shade Honey, which is perfectly matched for my skin tone. There are some couple of things you should consider before you buy a foundation. One of the most important tips is, if you go for a simple everyday makeup look, you should not go for lighter shades of foundation that doesn't match for your skin tone. I'm telling this on purpose because I have seen many makeovers in my country where they put very light shades of foundation for the brown skin, which is not really nice and inappropriate, and exaggerating the fake skin tone instead of taking out the prominent features of the person. So that sounds really bad. But of course, there are some times that you have to go for heavy foundation looks. In those times, you should know how you balance your makeup with the other makeup products that you use together. To blend the foundation, you can use either this kind of beauty blender or the makeup brush. I prefer to use the makeup brush over the sponge as it gives a good coverage as well as easy to blend. Don't forget your neck as well. Blending done! Then I started to do my brows with Maybelline Express Brow Pencil. I don't have a sharp set of eyebrows, and even I don't like to overdraw my eyebrows. So I brush my eyebrows and simply fill the gaps of my brows. Now I'm moving off with my Huda Beauty concealer, which is shade Sugar Biscuit. You can use the concealer to brighten up your skin and cover up your dark spots, pigments, also dark under eye. Since the concealer is going to brighten up your skin, you can use the concealer which is 2-3 shades lighter than your skin. You can simply apply the little bit of concealer under your eyes, nose, forehead, on your dark spots, even in your eyelids. But I didn't apply the concealer on my eyelids because I wanted to have a simple eye makeup look. Talking about the concealer can brighten up some areas of your face and also gives a lifted look. Here we done. Then I use Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder to set my face where I use the concealer because there might be some chances that your concealer get creased. So I use a little bit of this powder to stop creasing the concealer that I used. I lay this powder on my face for some time to bake it, so then after a few minutes I can brush it away. Now I'm going to do my eye makeup with this Candle by Kylie palette, which is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. And today I don't go for a heavier eyeshadow. I use the nude eyeshadow shade which matches for my makeup, also which can make my look really simple. And also for the inner corners I put a light shade of eyeshadows to put my look together. Then I properly blended my eyeshadows. Also the same shades on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to wipe off the excess powder that I used before. Here we came to one of the trickiest part in makeup, which is drawing an eyeliner. I use makeups eyeliner pencil to draw my eyeliner. This product is so precise, easy to use, one of the best eyeliner that I use ever. Here I can't exactly tell you guys how to draw your eyeliner because that all depends on how your eyes look like. And also practice makes you perfect on drawing an eyeliner, but sometimes even I make the mistakes when I draw my eyeliner. But at the end I manage to look it perfect as much as possible I can. Now I'm going to do the contouring of my face using this Shea Glam contour stick. The proper contouring can give you dimensions on your face, and this is also one of the trickiest thing in makeup. And once again, contouring techniques can be depend on your face shape, but today I will show you how to do a face contouring in general. Your contour can be start from the point of the top of your ear and then pointing it downwards along your cheekbone, and also here in my chin area as well as my forehead, and most importantly my nose. Then I blend all the products seamlessly to give a shadow look on my face. And we are done with contouring. And then I use this Fit Me press powder to look my contour more prominent. You can even use your concealer again to make the highlights here, but personally I prefer the powder because it's quick and it's easy, so I go ahead with the powder. Then I move with this Rimmel Maxi Blush, which is one of my favorite thing to do. Blush brings back colors on your face, and also the blush brings the freshness for your face, so I would never skip this step. And personally I prefer to use my blush on the sides of my cheekbone as it gives a lifted, slimmer look for my face. And I personally love to put it top of my forehead area as well. It's time to do my eyelashes with this Maybelline Sky High Mascara, which is one of the most affordable and beautiful mascara I ever had. Oops, I forgot to curl my lashes beforehand, but this step is totally optional. You can use whether you really wanted to curl your lashes. Well, now I continue with my mascara. I'm trying to lift my lashes while I'm doing this to make it bouncy. And that's how it turned out. I love it. Then I use this highlighter from OXX Bloom brand to put a glow on my face, which is really beautiful. In general, you can use your highlighter on your cheekbones, forehead, nose, and top of your lips, as well as on the chin. And if you go for a glam makeup look, you can put it in your inner corner of your eyes as well. So in this time, I avoid putting it on my eyes. Then I move with my lip liner from BYS brand. I don't use a lip liner every single time that I do a makeup. I rather prefer to apply just a lipstick most of the time. But the lip liner gives a more defined look to the lips. And I rather prefer the dark shades of lip liners, most of the time brown, because the dark shades of lip liner blends perfectly with the lighter shades of lipsticks, also perfectly matches for the brown skin. So I love the dark shades of lip liners. I'm going to move off with my favorite step, which is applying a lipstick. So for that I use a NARS Air Matte shade Gypsy. This lipstick is so good for the brown skin. Even the single lipstick with none of the makeup can give you a beautiful glow on your face. So most of the time I just only use the lipstick without any makeup when I need to go out. And the most important thing is moisturize your lips before you go for a lipstick. Then I use a little bit of lip gloss on my lips to give it a glossy look, which I don't do always because I personally love the matte lipstick, but in this time, if in case you need it, I showed it here. Fixing your makeup is really important, but not always, because you should decide whether you need to last long your makeup or not. So upon your requirement, you can go for a setting spray at the end as well. I use Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray to set my face after applying all the makeups and making it last longer, and I use a matte setting spray which doesn't change my makeup look. And yeah guys, we are done with the makeup. This is how I look like at the end. You can comment down below how you feel it like. Guys, I'm back with my final makeup look. This is so simple makeup look that everybody can go for, even when you're rushed to work, and this look takes a little time. The most important fact is you have to have an idea about your skin type, what products will go with your skin. If you would like to know about the products and what sort of products that suits for your skin, keep in touch with me. I would like to bring more content in future about the product, how to choose the products according to your skin type. So don't forget to subscribe me on down below. And the second thing that I have to tell you guys, and there's no exact order you should go in this exact order when you do the makeup. You can adjust the order according to your makeup routine. So don't mind about the steps that I followed. But when you select the makeup products, consider about the quality of the manufacturer, quality of the product, because some makeup products can cause skin diseases, skin irritations. So just be careful about the products that you use. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys get an idea about the makeups from this video, and that's the ultimate thing that I wanted to have from this video. Keep in touch with me. I will bring more makeup content series in future. Also, I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this makeup look, and what sort of adjustments I do in my next videos. See you in a beautiful day. Bye.